of the question answer of the NCERT book, chapter 2, acid, bases and salts. First, let us see the chapter question answer inside in test questions. The first question is given that in a test tube, one contains distilled water, other two, one is acidic solution, one is basic solution. So how will you recognize? How will you identify? So on the basis of the litmus paper test, we can find out that the distilled water has no action on litmus paper, and the other two solutions can be identified on the basis of the effect, the changes of the color of the red litmus and blue litmus paper. Now the second question is, why should curd and other sour substances not be kept in container made up of brass or copper? Both curd and other sour substances contain some acids in them. They react with copper or brass vessels to form certain salts which are not good for health. Therefore, it is not advisable to keep them in brass or copper containers. The next question is, which gas is usually liberated when an acid reacts with a metal? So that gas is hydrogen gas. Metals are mostly reactive in nature. They react with dilute acids to evolve hydrogen gas. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Zn is solid, HCl is aqueous, ZnCl2 is aqueous, and H2 is gas. And the gas burns with pop sound when burning candle brought near to it. Next, a metallic compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. The gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction if one of the compounds found is calcium chloride. So the gas evolved and that extinguishes a lit candle is CO2. If one of the compound found with CaCl2, the reaction would be, the reaction is CaCO3 plus HCl gives CaCl2, CO2 and H2O. In this reaction, CaCO3 is solid, HCl is aqueous, CaCl2 is aqueous, CO2 gas and H2O liquid. The next question is, aqueous solution of HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4 show acidic character, while those of the compounds like ethyl alcohol and glucose fail to do so. Why? Explain. All these acids have replaceable hydrogen atoms which they release in aqueous solution as hydrogen ions. Therefore, they show acidic character. But ethyl alcohol and glucose do not undergo dissociation in aqueous solution. That's why they do not conduct electricity in aqueous solution. The next question is, why does an aqueous solution of an acid conduct electricity? Aqueous solution of an acid releases hydrogen ion and hydronium ion in solutions. Since ions are carriers of charges, therefore they are responsible for conducting the electricity. Why does dry HCl gas not change the color of dry litmus paper? Dry HCl gas has no hydrogen ions, so it does not show any acidic character and no change of color takes place. While diluting an acid, which is it recommended to add acid to water and not to water to acid. I have already explained this in details that due to this is the exothermic reaction and high amount of heat is released, and if you do so, that we have the accident may occur. That's why an acid is added to water slowly and not the water is added to acid. Next is, how is concentration of hydronium ions affect when solution of an acid is diluted? An acid dissociates into hydronium ions and aqueous and anions when dissolved in water. Upon dilution, the volume of the solution increases and the number of ions per unit volume decreases. Therefore, the concentration of hydrogen ion per unit volume decreases. How is concentration of hydroxyl ions affected when excess of base is dissolved? Solution of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. It immediately dissociates in solution to give hydroxyl ion and cations. Upon dissolving more of the base in solution, the concentration of OH further increases. Now you have two solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 8 and that of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ions concentration? Which of these is acidic and which one is basic? The pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ion in solution. Lesser the pH of the solution, more will be the hydrogen ion concentration. The solution A with pH 6 has more hydrogen ion concentration than the solution with pH equal to 8. The solution A is acidic because its pH is less than 7 and the solution B is basic because its pH is more than 7. Next, what effect does concentration of hydrogen ion aqueous have on acidic nature of a solution? The acidic nature of a solution is directly related to the concentration of hydrogen ion. As the concentration of hydrogen ion increases, the acidic nature of the solution also increases. Do basic solutions also have hydrogen aqueous? If yes, then why are these basic? Yes, basic solutions also have hydrogen ion. As the solution are prepared in water and water being a weak electrolyte, it dissociates into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. But the number of hydrogen ion are very small as compared to hydroxyl ions. Under what soil condition do you think a farmer would spread or treat the soil of his field with quicklime or slacked lime or chalk? A soil usually becomes acidic when there is either a high grade content or not, or iron mineral, or these are some rotten vegetables in the soil. In order to reduce the acidic strength, limiting of soil is usually done. For this, any of the substances that have been mentioned, that is sprayed, like quicklime, calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, or calcium carbonate. Name of the substance which upon treating with chlorine gives bleaching powder. Write the chemical equation of the reaction. Slacked lime is substance which reacts with chlorine to give bleaching powder. CaOH2 plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. Next question, name the sodium compound used for softening hard water, that is washing soda. Na2CO3 10H2O, or sodium carbonate decahydrate. What will happen if the solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? Write the chemical equation. Carbon dioxide gas will evolve and the sodium carbonate will be formed. 2NHCO3 gives Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Write the chemical equation for the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Gypsum is formed. CSO4 half H2O plus H2O gives CSO4 2H2O. That is gypsum. That is hard. What is common name of compound CaOCl2? It is bleaching powder. So this is all about the insight questions of the NCERT book lesson 2. The next will be the exercise questions in the next. Okay, thank you.